These storage bins right here, awesome little bins. They come with two different types of handles. So you got this one right here. One thing about these bins is the lids don't like snap shut. So if you try and use this handle to pick up the whole bin, you're only going to pick up the lid. But if you want to change that, you can use these little handles right here that just install into those little slots. So you just slip it in on one side like that, and make sure it's slipped in also on the other side. Snap into place just like that. And then same thing on this side, just slip them into place just like that. Not difficult to do at all. I think I did that one upside down, my bad. So make sure you don't do them upside down like I just did. Make sure you're doing them the right side up like that. And then when you add that lid on, now you can snap them and lock them into place, and now you can pick them up perfectly and the lid stays intact. So good little containers right here. They come with all these extra clips, these side handles that you have to clip on, and you can also just use those as little carrying handles as well if you want to. But yeah, that's how they're designed. Pretty handy, and they're nice, good, solid material. I like these storage bins a lot. I think you will too. I definitely recommend them.